If you are dealing with a P0335 check engine code, hold off on buying expensive parts. In the next 2 minutes, you will see the most common causes and simplest DIY fixes to save you hundreds of dollars. If you are getting a P0335 error code, this video will show you a practical solution to fix it at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0335 error code. This means the engine control module has detected that the crankshaft position sensor circuit is operating outside of its normal specifications. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft position sensor is most often located on the front underside of the engine, where it is typically mounted to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to perform a resistance test on the crankshaft position sensor in order to get an accurate reading. Check your owner's manual to find the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, it indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole, then replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. Here's a practical way to fix the P0335 error code after the repair. Open the Zeus app to clear the code, then tap the rescan button once more to verify your vehicle is running properly. If this video helped you fix your P0335 code, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I upload simple DIY engine code fixes every day to help you save money and keep your car running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Engine Clinic video.